Hey, it's Olivia from Star Gossip. Let's talk about how Kimberly mourned Eric Dane.
In haar heartbreaking turn-off events, Kimberly van der Beek has haar het aan emotioneel message verloving te reporte diate of Eric Dane. Teneefs has sent sookwaafes trouw gehollei word, liafing fans aan fellow celebrities het. Kimberly, wiefe of James van der Beek, reached uit publicly witte words of support and compassion during this difficult time. In haar message, Kimberly expressed heartfelt sympathie, die redding speciaal loof toewaard Rebecca Geyhart, wo was previously married to Dane. Eric Dane, knoven voor his powerful television roles and commanding screen presence, built a legacy that resonated deeply with the fans. News of his passing has prompted an outpouring of tributes across social media, with the colleagues remembering him not only for his talent but also for his warmte and generosity behind the scenes. Kimberly's response has touched many, sowing of compassion gaan inite people even in tragedy. Fans have praised her for speaking out, emphasizing empathy rather than headliness. In times of grief, support and kindness seen it a brugtest and Kimberly's words have offered exactly that during an incredibly painful moment.